Meditation for high achievers, finding balance and success. Welcome and thank you for taking this time for yourself. Find a comfortable position. Sit or lie down in a way that feels natural to you. Gently allow your eyes to close. Take a slow, deep breath in. And slowly breathe out. Let your breathing begin to soften and slow down. There's nothing you need to achieve right now. Nothing to prove and nowhere to rush. This moment is simply for you. Take another deep breath in through your nose. And gently release it through your mouth. Allow your shoulders to soften and drop. Let go of any tension in your jaw. Relax your forehead and your eyes. Feel your body becoming heavier. Supported and held by the surface beneath you. Bring your awareness gently to your breath. Notice the air entering and leaving your body. There's a calm rhythm within you. A natural flow that does not need effort. Allow yourself to follow this rhythm. Without trying to control or change anything. As someone who achieves so much in life, your mind is often busy and active. Always planning and always moving forward. But right now, you're allowed to pause. You are allowed to simply be. Feel the quiet space between each breath. Notice the stillness that exists within you. This is where balance begins to return. Bring awareness to your chest area. Feel it gently rise and fall with each breath. Imagine a calm and peaceful energy spreading. Flowing slowly through your entire body. Softening every part it touches. You do not need to carry everything right now. You can set things down for this moment. Allow your mind to gently quiet. Like waves settling on a calm ocean. If thoughts appear, simply observe them. And gently guide your focus back to your breath. You are creating space within yourself. A space where clarity can grow naturally. Feel your body grounded and your mind calm. When you are ready, gently begin to return. Please subscribe, like, and share. We see you in the next video.